Hello, and welcome back to your basic English lesson. Today we will talk about cooking together. We will use our new words in sentences, so get your notebook and pencil, and let's get started. Today's question for you is, do you like to cook? What can you make? Leave me a comment below the video, and I will correct your answer. I love cooking food. First, let's say what each picture is. Butter. Bake. Add. Flour. Mix. Now, let's write what we see in the picture. Butter knife. Cut. Now, try to think of new words for each picture. Don't use the same words. Bread. Cook. Salt. Measure. Fluffy. Powder. Blend. Stir. Today, Yuna and Ji-yoon are with Dad. What are they doing? They're baking. Yuna is going to add some to the bowl. She is going to add some flour to the bowl. Ji-yoon wants to, the parts. She wants to mix the parts. Good. Ji-yoon's dad, flour, sugar, and to make cookie dough. Ji-yoon's dad adds flour, sugar, and butter to make cookie dough. He gets the parts ready so that Ji-yoon can mix it. Good. Negative tag questions, do, be, and can. So let's put up do, be, and can. Cats run fast, don't they? You play soccer, don't you? The do is for actions. Be, it is cold, isn't it? They are angry, aren't they? For the be verbs. Can, he can swim, can't he? They can see, can't they? So can is for the ability. So do, what can you do? You can do something. Be, it is something. And can, he can swim. He can do an activity. So let's practice this. Here are your sentences. Let's add in the do, the be, and the can. You like cake, don't you? He is hungry, isn't he? The girl can bake cookies, can't she? That is butter on the bread, isn't it? They are students, aren't they? Good job. Can you see a pattern? Look at this. Is, isn't. Can, can't. Is, isn't. See the pattern? Are, aren't. It's right there. The pattern is easy to see on these, like it is a different negative pattern, but when you see all the others, it is easy to know what is the negative tag in a question. Is, isn't, can, can't. Now, let's write some sentences. Mary can bake a cake. What do you think? Mary can bake a cake. B, can't she? So let's write a sentence using this. Mary can bake a cake, can't she? Yes, she can. She can bake a cake. We have to use the can in there. Number 2, Bill mixes the paint. What do you think? Mixes. A, mixes is a verb. Doesn't he? Bill mixes the paint, doesn't he? Let's make that sentence. Bill mixes the paint, doesn't he? No, he doesn't. He doesn't mix the paint. Okay, let's try number 3. They are having fun. They are having fun. What do you think? B, very good. They are having fun, aren't they? Let's write that sentence. They are having fun, aren't they? Yes, they are. They are having fun. First, let's say what each picture is. Sauce, cream, heat, sticky, tomato. Now, let's write what we see in the picture. Spaghetti, noodles. Now, try to think of new words for each picture. Don't use the same words. Sweet, dessert, cook, barbecue, glue, dirty, you, slice, vegetables. Tim and Mary are learning how to make pizza. Pizza sauce, good. After the sauce, Mary adds cheese and what? Mary adds tomatoes, okay. When the pizza cooks, the cheese will be what? The cheese will be sticky, yeah. Michelle is making a tomato sauce pasta, not a pasta. What other pasta? A cream pasta. She is cooking it over on the stove. She's cooking it over what? Over heat. Yeah, the heat is under the pan. She is hungry and knows it will taste delicious for lunch. It will be good. Positive tag questions, do, be, and can. Just like before, we did negative. You don't like pizza, do you? She doesn't understand, does she? See how it's the opposite, it's backwards. How about the be verb? It isn't raining, is it? They aren't hungry, are they? See how it's the opposite of before. How about can? Cats can't swim, can they? You can't dance, can you? Do you see how the pattern is different from before? It's the opposite. See how the ending is positive? Do, is, can. Those are positives. Don't means negative. This means that you don't believe the negative. Cats can't swim. I don't believe that. Can they? So I asked the question. Let's practice this. You can't heat this pizza for me, can you? We can't bake today, can we? She doesn't play soccer, does she? They aren't sleeping, are they? See how the negative is first, then the positive. Now, let's write some sentences. Number 1. She is adding flour to the bowl, isn't she? No. Your first word is no. Let's make that sentence. No, she isn't adding flour to the bowl. How about number 2? You can swim, can't you? Can you? Can't you? Yes, I can swim. Or you could say, no, I can't swim. Number 3, that baker can bake, can't he? No, your first word is no. No, he can't. He is a bad baker. He can't bake. Number 4, you can speak English well, can't you? What do you think? Yes, I can speak English well. My teacher is great. Thank you. Quiz time. Here is your quiz for today. So pause the video and answer the quiz. We will check your answers in 1 minute. Write them all down in your notebook. Let's check. Lucy and Mike listen to music, don't they? It is cold outside, isn't it? She can't jump, can she? I don't swim fast, do I? Honey is sticky, isn't it? Yes, it is sticky. You put sauce on your spaghetti, don't you? Yes, I put tomato sauce on my spaghetti. You can dance, can't you? No, I can't dance very well. The water is too cold. You should swim, shouldn't you? No, you shouldn't. No, I shouldn't. The water is too cold to swim. No one swims in cold water. It's not fun. So, great job today. I will see you next time for our new lesson. Goodbye.